going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. And this is just like the kid pick ones. You get an envelope to where you can mail back anything you don't want. But this one you pay $20 to get. But that $20 gets knocked off your total if you choose to keep anything. So I don't want to look at the card, but we want to read it. So you also get a styling note. And this card has like all the outfits on it. Don't really want to show that right now. But let's see what we got. First thing we got was shoes. And they always send you these nice shoe bags. So if you keep the shoes, you get to keep this really nice bag. I like to keep these and put, like when we're traveling, put all of our shoes in it. Because it's actually really good quality, good material. With a zipper. Okay, so these are really cute. I really like these. And these will go with all the stuff I just recently bought. Like all the new dresses and stuff. So these are probably going to be a keeper. And this is our bundle. Your clothes will come bundled like this. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. Our first thing is a blue jean jacket. It's really nice material. Very nice blue jean jacket. And it's not like a heavy one. It's very lightweight. And it's the name brand Prosperity Denim in size large. It's a very nice jacket. It's got pockets. That is also a dress, and it has pockets as well. Here's the bottom of it. It just all looks the same, but it's got like this piece right here that almost makes it look like a skirt connected to a shirt. But this is Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce. I have a lot of their stuff. And it's a t-shirt. It's like a t-shirt dress. It's very nice. Very soft material. Next we have a skirt, also in size large. And it's very cute for like spring. It's little flowers all over it. And it also has pockets, which I thought was pretty neat. I love pockets, if y'all can't tell, because they're great for throwing in keys, phones, stuff like that when you're trying to handle toddlers. This is also a dress, also cinched right here, which I love. This one does not have pockets, but it's like a t-shirt, and it is so soft. It's Market and Spruce also. It's like a t-shirt, but it's a dress. It goes all the way down. Very nice. Stay tuned for the try-on.